Hey, took her money, they don't want no combo. And I need me to mention no condo. And I stay with a dime like Rondo. But you know I'm a boy like Lonzo. I'ma smoke with the cookie and Fonto. And I need it right now like pronto. Some of my niggas came out the Pato. And the foreign too low for the pothole. Oh, you talking about bands? We got.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PatElite, back with some heat. You heard? You feel me? If you feel me, like the video right now. I'm sorry for the ear raid though. You feel me? Just lower down your volume a little bit, or keep it up the same way. AirPod users, earphone users, I'm sorry. As far as I'm concerned, this video today will be about how I made my school threat. This is exactly how you make the school threat, bro. Once again, this school threat is a threat to any one of your schools. Whatever school you went to and it had a school threat in it, you knew damn well not to go anywhere near him because he's a school threat. You do not bother school threats because, bro, they shoot straight green. They don't miss. They shoot up everything, bro. They literally don't miss, bro. Like, literally, they don't miss. Everything is green. But first thing first, you want to make your first name, your last name, you feel me? It doesn't matter. Position, point guard, righty, lefty, don't matter. I'm a righty, you know my body. Come on, big ass righties. You feel me? My favorite number. Let me know y'all favorite numbers in the comments. Might as well. My favorite number 18. I'm always going with the number 18. You feel me? You feel me? And one thing. I forgot. Like the video if you got drip. If you don't have no drip, don't like it though. You feel me? But if you got drip, like the video. First thing first, about this school threat. There's two different type of school threats. One is called a BP school threat, and the other one is just a regular plain one, right? When people be like, oh, this is a BP build, this is a BP type of build, it has slashing and shooting in the build. That's not this build. This build is strictly playmaking and shooting, bro. Basically just like that. It's the same, it's like around the same height and stuff as the BP build. But this school threat build is pretty much the same height, but has playmaking and shooting instead of finishing and shooting. You get what I'm saying? And with the BP build, it has a lower 3 just with contact dunks, etc. This one is not the build. This one right here is literally a threat to your school. I keep telling you that. I'm telling you. First thing first, you want to go down to the mid-range, max that out. Everything maxed out shooting, max out everything with shooting, right? Keep that maxed out. Make sure your ball control is max. Pass accuracy max. With the playmaking, you want to have 20 playmaking badges. I don't care what anyone says. 20 playmaking badges is the best as far as I'm concerned. Even though I'm a legend, even before legend, 20 playmaking badges is the best. So you want to go 3 up to 47, right? You want to put your perimeter defense up, lateral quickness up, steal up, right? Don't touch your block just yet. Go to defensive rebound and put it all the way up. We're going to go back down to that part though real quick. And then you want to go back up to the drive and dunk, finishing. I did it like opposite a little bit, but it's still the same thing. You feel me? You want to put this max up, right? But I think the goal is to get 80. You're supposed to have 83 close shot. I'm making this build like literally live, like basically live in effect right now, bro. So I think I messed up around. I think this is supposed to be actually like 68, so we can get like 7 defensive badges. Put this one up as 4. And then with the last attribute, you could put one more rebounding up. It's not going to make a difference. Put the block up. You can put your offensive rebound up. Put your interior defense up. I put my block up just because I need all the animation possible, bro. You feel me? And then with the body shape. Right? And by the way, y'all clearly just see the badges. With the body shape. For my school threat, I'm always going to make my guy compact and not that big. If anything, you go solid. And with the height, this is the most important part to get that build, the offensive threat, right? AKA school threat. 6'3", and put the weight all the way down. And you can put it like 2 up, I believe. Yeah, 172. So you can get the max weight, but like the fastest build of the weight. You get what I'm saying? 172 and 170 like pounds not different. Like it's not a big difference, bro. Simple as that. Wingspan all the way down. If you put your wingspan all the way up, you're really a school threat. But if you want to be a really like a Hall of Fame school threat, like platinum, put it all the way down. But if you really put it all the way up, there's something wrong with you. As far as takeover, I always choose sharp. However, depending on your play style, you like to take fades, use shot creator. Playmaker, you like to drop people, use playmaking. You like to shoot all the time, you can still fade and shoot green. Sharpshooting, slashing, I say do not choose this. You know why? Because you get no contacts on this build. Do not do it. I'm telling you, do not do it. I'm choosing sharp, you feel me? And as you can see right now, it's a school threat. It's something like wrong with the screen right now. It says offensive, I don't know why, but it should say school threat, just like this comparison to Trey Young, Dame Miller, Steve Nash. It should say Curry too, but it doesn't. You feel me? But that's the build right there. I'm gonna show you how the badges with it too to run with it. I got you right now. How I do this? Test build, right? How to go to test build. I'm gonna show you how the badges real quick. As far as I'm concerned with this build though, people use this build a lot for the simple fact when it gets like a 97 or 96 overall, it's very fast. Like it's OD fast, it's hard to stop. It got high ball control, all that. You can't, like even if you're cold, you can still speed boost. You get what I'm saying? And with the finishing badge, since we only have 4, I'm a legend, I have 14. This is what I used to use. I used to use contact finisher on gold so I can get all the contact, like not contact dunks, but all the dunk animation. You're not gonna get no real contacts. And you could probably put consistent finisher on bronze or relentless finisher on bronze. I say relentless, fuck it. Might as well. Might as well put relentless. Shooting. Me personally, I use quick draw Hall of Fame. You like another jump shot, use a gold. I use Hall of Fame, range extender Hall of Fame. If you don't, you're a school threat. Once again, you're a threat to other people's school. Hall of Fame, Hot Zone Hunter, Read Machine, Hall of Fame. I use flexible release on silver, but I say don't use it because I have a different place. I have a different place. I feel like flexible release somehow, some way it works. I don't know. I believe in flexible release, but you can put difficult shots on silver and then put Deadeye on Hall of Fame. At the same time, Deadeye doesn't work a little bit, so you can go gold Deadeye and bronze volume shooter, or keep Hall of Fame Deadeye obviously, or you can go to silver Deadeye and put hot start on silver if you like to green shots. If you're a greener, if you make 2 shots, hot start activates and you won't miss the entire game. You feel me? But you might as well just keep it like that just cause. Just be on the safe side. Or you can go gold. Gold. I'm just give you mad preferences. It don't matter. You know what I'm saying? It's your player style. Playmaking. This all you need for playmaking. I was a bot before Legend, low key. I wasn't a bot, but I used to use bot badges. Quick first step Hall of Fame. Handle for days Hall of Fame. You don't need diamond. If you don't play threes, you're not dying corner playing rec pro-am. Imagine playing rec though, but you don't play like none of those events. Like none of them categories I just said. Damn, bro. Damn. He's fucking stuttering this shit. Diamond you don't need. Downhill don't need it. Bailout Hall of Fame, the best badge in the game. Shout out to Tassino. He is the inventor of this badge. It's something about Tassino we do not know about. He's literally the greatest, bro. Golden Pluckable Hall of Fame does not work. Don't retry it. Sight handle doesn't work anymore. People say needle threader a lot. You might as well throw on needle threader Hall of Fame or gold. You can put diamond on bronze if anything, if you want to be nice, if your friends is like bots and stuff. And Lob City Pass on bronze, silver, it don't matter, you feel me? Or you can keep this setup right here. I feel like this setup is very efficient and it's very good. As far as I'm concerned, if you want to get your teammates better, once again though, you can put this down like bronze and take this off. Now you put this Hall of Fame, you take this off and put Lob City Pass on bronze. I don't have it auto. You get what I'm saying? Or just put this Hall of Fame, same thing, right? Defensive and rebounding. This is important, but not important because you are gonna be small with this build. I'm just letting you know that. You're gonna be an offensive guy though, I guarantee it. No doubt about it. You're gonna be a threat to someone's school. I guarantee it. There's no doubt about it. Clamps, always on gold. People say Silver Intimidator for the simple fact you just might need Pick Dodger. I don't really run Pick Dodger, but as far as I'm concerned, I actually use Pick Dodger now. I'm starting to use it more. Or you can put it like this. I actually use Pick Dodger more, but I usually put Interceptor like on bronze or silver because I like to, like intercept passes. I hate like passes going right past my head, you get what I'm saying? But you can run it like this with this build. It goes great. You can still dodge screens. You're smaller. You don't hit screens like that. You feel me? But these are all the good badges with this build. You feel me? You feel me? Once again, if you got drip, like the video. This is basically all the video. Basically, you see the school threat matching up. You on the Raptors with it. With no Kawhi. Whoa, that's bad. Ain't going against Golden State. Fuck that part. Appreciate everyone that watched this video. If you made it to the end, type the number 10, bro. Type the number 10 so I know who made it to the end of the video. But make sure you like, share, subscribe if you're new. And turn on post notifications too. Like the video, please. Yo, I'm out, bro. Simple.
Bitch, we got choppers. We kicking works like soccer. I beat the pussy up like I'm a boxer. We eating noodles, no lobster. No kill. We proper. You know the gang gon' prosper. You niggas acting Oscars. How you put rats on rosters? In my town, I'm jiggy.